Human beings often perceive wealth and assets in terms of material possessions: cars, houses, gadgets, businesses, and investments. Yet, in reality, the most valuable possession that any individual owns is not tangible wealth, but their own body. The body is the most sophisticated, irreplaceable, and priceless piece of equipment ever entrusted to us. Unlike a car that can be replaced or a phone that can be upgraded, once the body is damaged beyond repair, the consequences are permanent. The body is our lifelong companion, the vehicle through which we experience the world, achieve our dreams, and interact with others. In this essay, I will explore the concept of the body as the most expensive equipment one can own by discussing its uniqueness, functionality, fragility, maintenance, and the responsibility we have toward preserving it. The uniqueness of the human body. The human body is an extraordinary biological machine with functions and capabilities that no man-made device can replicate fully. From the beating heart that pumps blood tirelessly throughout our lives to the brain that processes complex thoughts, emotions, and creativity, the body is a marvel of creation and evolution. Every individual's body is unique, encoded with a genetic blueprint that distinguishes them from others. This individuality makes it not only priceless, but also irreplaceable. Unlike luxury equipment such as sports cars or industrial machinery, no two bodies are exactly the same. Even identical twins who share nearly the same DNA have subtle biological differences. This uniqueness emphasizes the rarity and value of the human body as equipment. Owning such a system requires both appreciation and responsibility. The body as a biological machine. If we compare the body to equipment, it becomes clear that it surpasses any human-made invention in complexity and efficiency. Consider the following. 1. The brain. More powerful than any supercomputer, capable of processing trillions of signals, solving problems, creating art, and adapting to new circumstances. 2. The heart. Pumps approximately 2,000 gallons of blood daily without pause, sustaining life for decades without needing replacement. 3. The lungs. Filter the air we breathe, providing oxygen to the body and expelling carbon dioxide. 4. The skeletal system provides structural support and protection while enabling movement. 5. The immune system, a self-regulating defense mechanism capable of identifying and neutralizing pathogens without external input. No equipment invented by humans can run continuously for 7,100 years without replacement parts, regular shutdowns, or massive interventions. The body, however, continues to function under conditions of stress, adaptation, and healing. This efficiency alone is a testament to its value, fragility, and irreplaceability. Despite its brilliance, the body is also fragile. A car engine can be replaced, a computer part repaired, but organs like the brain, heart, and spinal cord cannot be fully replaced without severe consequences. Modern medicine has developed artificial hearts, dialysis machines, and prosthetics, but none of these replacements truly match the natural precision of the body. For example, while prosthetic limbs restore functionality, they cannot replicate the sensory feedback, natural flexibility, or full strength of biological limbs. This fragility highlights the fact that the body must be handled with care. Neglect, abuse, or misuse of the body leads to consequences that cannot be reversed. Poor lifestyle choices such as smoking, excessive drinking, substance abuse, poor diet, and lack of exercise slowly corrode the body's efficiency, much like neglecting the maintenance of expensive equipment. But unlike equipment, which can be replaced or upgraded, the human body gives us no such second chance. Maintenance of the body. If we treat the body as the most expensive equipment, then it requires regular maintenance to ensure peak performance. Just as one would service a luxury car or update advanced software, the body requires consistent care in the following ways. 1. Nutrition. The food we consume is the fuel for our body. A diet rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, and healthy fats is essential to keep the body functioning. Processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats clog this biological machine. 2. Exercise. Movement strengthens the cardiovascular system, bones, muscles, and joints. Sedentary lifestyles cause the body to weaken prematurely. 3. Sleep. Rest is the body's natural repair cycle. Without it, cognitive functions, immunity, and mood deteriorate. 4. Mental health. Stress management, positive thinking, and emotional regulation are crucial for long-term well-being. 5. Medical checkups. Preventive care ensures that issues are identified early before they escalate into life-threatening problems. Ignoring these forms of maintenance is like neglecting to oil an engine or clean a filter. It inevitably leads to breakdowns. But in the case of the body, the costs are measured in suffering, disease, and shortened lifespan. The cost of neglect. When expensive equipment breaks down, the costs are measured in money. When the body breaks down, the costs are far greater: pain, reduced quality of life, and sometimes death. Healthcare systems around the world spend billions treating diseases that could have been prevented with proper lifestyle management. Obesity, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and certain cancers are strongly linked to lifestyle choices. This indicates that neglecting the body is not just a personal issue, but a societal burden. By failing to maintain our most expensive equipment, we increase medical costs, reduce productivity, and shorten life expectancy. The responsibility of ownership. Ownership of any valuable equipment comes with responsibility. A person who buys a luxury car would not drive it recklessly or fill it with poor quality fuel. Similarly, owning a body demands responsible usage. This includes avoiding harmful substances, engaging in safe practices, and respecting its natural limits. The body is also a shared responsibility because the way one treats their health has ripple effects on family, community, and society. A parent's neglect of health can burden children. A professional's disregard for wellness can affect workplace productivity. Thus, caring for one's body is not selfish. It is a moral and social responsibility. The pricelessness of the body. Though we call it expensive equipment, the body is actually priceless. No amount of money can replace it. A billionaire facing terminal illness cannot buy back health with wealth. This fact underscores the truth that the body is beyond value. It is a sacred gift entrusted to us, deserving of gratitude and care. Philosophically, the body is also the vessel of the mind and soul. Without a healthy body, our dreams, ambitions, and relationships lose their foundation. The most brilliant ideas and the deepest emotions require a functioning body to be expressed. This makes the body the foundation of our existence and purpose. To say that the body is the most expensive equipment one owns is not just a metaphor, it is a profound truth. It is unique, irreplaceable, powerful, yet fragile. It demands constant care and maintenance, and its neglect comes at the highest cost imaginable. Unlike wealth or possessions, we cannot buy a replacement or upgrade when it fails. Therefore, we must treat our bodies with respect, discipline, and responsibility. In conclusion, the body is not just equipment, it is the very essence of life. By recognizing its value, maintaining it wisely, and avoiding neglect, we ensure that this extraordinary machine serves us well throughout our journey on Earth. To neglect it is to squander the greatest gift we have. To care for it is to honor life itself. In the end, your body is not just equipment, it is the only vessel that carries you through every moment of life. When you honor it with care, discipline, and gratitude, it rewards you with strength, clarity, and longevity. But when you neglect it, no wealth or success can compensate for what is lost. Remember, to care for your body is to protect your future, your loved ones, and the very gift of life itself.